So today's video 2 of the gut string project. I've had the Pirastro Oliv on this violin for almost a month. It took that long for the A string to set. The E clearly very quickly. The G surprisingly was very quick too. The D took a little longer, but the A just kept getting out of tune until it still does, but now it's bearable. Um, Unfortunately, it's a different bow from the one I used with the first video with the Infeld PI. Similar, a little brighter. So I think it's close enough that we can use this as a good reference against the other video and then the subsequent video with the Pirastro Passione. So let's see how this one sounds. So from here, much more slippery strings. Really have to a little more rosin, get a little bit more into the strings, slower bow, a little heavier bow, closer to the bridge than with synthetic strings. If not, they whistle, even the D string. But it's even though they're thicker and a little, I think a little more tension, they feel softer under the fingers, and the sound here is very, very complex. And people that I've played for have noticed a big difference. Somebody even asked me if it was the same violin as before. So in a positive way, I really like the change. So I'm enjoying them. Now we'll see how long they'll last.